In the 2020's Apple event, the iPhone SE 2nd Gen was unveiled and it was priced at 32,000 INR. It was good for the price, it had a good chip, good camera and a good software. In 2021, I actually made a video on is it worth buying the iPhone SE in 2021, and the answer was yes. But if it's iPhone SE 3, then it's not. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys why the 2022 iPhone SE isn't worth the money. Okay, the first reason why the iPhone SE is awful is because of its undeniably dated design. Look, I'm a moderate Apple fanboy and I've used the iPhone 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10 and 11, and I've seen some iPhones having the same design like the iPhone 6, 7, 8, but it all ended up in 2016 except the iPhone SE. Then in 2020, the 2nd Gen SE came out with the same design, but now it's the iPhone SE 3rd Gen. But the fact that the iPhone SE is still using a form factor that was essentially debuted with the 2014 iPhone 6, to say that the design is dated is an understatement to say the least. It has a massive notch and the bezels are so thick the screen is compressed to 4.7 inch that makes it a bit difficulty in reading, even though the back is made up of glass, and in my opinion really hampers the user experience. My major issue with the previous iPhone SE was its screen size. I'm not even one of those people who argues with the mindset that bigger is always better when it comes to display. Even the phone I use doesn't have a proper 6-inch display, but it's really handy and just love it. But some things aren't great, like watching videos or playing games just isn't as immersive as it would like to be. Now it's likely that it might get spoiled by other phones with bigger ratios and much better screen. It might get worse over time, but now that could sound like a minor issue. But it actually leads me to the second reason why I think the iPhone SE is pretty awful is the battery. As the last iPhone SE had a bad battery backup, but this time with the A15 Bionic chip, 5G and adding spec-intensive camera features can potentially make this phone a disaster. But Apple claims 2 hours more backup than the last one, but if it's legit the same 1800 mAh battery like last time, I can't help but be concerned. And that brings me to the last reason why I think the iPhone SE is awful, and that's because it's just not as good value as it was before. First, the price went up on the SE from 22k to 45k, which is like 13,000 more, but considering the base model at that price provides only 64GB of internal storage. That is critically low for 2022, but I think for that price there are other options like iPhone 12 mini available at 52,000 with wireless charging, Face ID with a good specs, camera, display and many more. At the end of the day, the iPhone SE is a phone that will only make sense for people who are on legacy devices older than iPhone 8 and are looking to upgrade to a solidly good device on a budget that's going to be quite familiar. And that's it for now. Please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. And this is Asthik Raghav signing out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.